Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.